Hi, I am Dr. Bishop and I want to show you the best way to move efficiently throughout Prep Academy. So right now we are on the home page, and in order to get to the table of contents, you should always click on Course Materials. Course Materials takes you to this table of contents, like I said, which shows you the next thing that you need to do in your studies. So if you look on the right hand side, you have Prep Academy Orientation, which are the first 4 assignments in Prep. That does not mean that that is all there is in Unit 1. After you complete these 4, a second little module will open up underneath and you'll work on those. There are about 8 modules in Unit 1. So when you're here at the table of contents, your goal is to change these little dots into check marks, and the way that you do that is to engage with the materials that are provided. So the first material is simply a little welcome video from me, kind of walks you through some of the expectations. So you would watch that by clicking on that, and then when you finish, you go back to the table of contents and you'll see that your dot has been turned into a check mark. So you want to do that with all of the materials, and you want to do that in order. So the next assignment is the introductory letter, where you basically just introduce yourself to our team. So you would click on that, and it's going to give you all of the instructions. All of the things that you need to do in your letter will be spelled out for you here. After you've read that and you've started drafting your letter, you can go back to the table of contents again, and the very next assignment is the actual Dropbox, the actual assignment where you place your letter. So anytime you see this little icon, it kind of looks like a piece of paper coming out of a printer. When you see this icon and the word assignment next to it, you know that you have a writing assignment that you're going to submit, okay? So I'm going to show you how to submit a writing assignment. If you click on that, here are the instructions again for your letter. And at the bottom it says save your letter as a Word document and then upload the document to the introductory letter Dropbox folder. Basically, save it as Word and then come down here and upload. A quick note about how you save. If you're working on a Mac, you absolutely have to save your document as a Word or PDF, because eCourseware does not recognize pages, and so it just looks like gobbledygook when I try to open it. So Word documents always, and if not Word, then a PDF is acceptable. So you have your letter, you've written it, you've saved it to your computer, you come down here and you click Upload, and it's going to take you to your desktop or to wherever you save things on your computer. You're going to go find your letter, and you'll click it, click Open, and it's going to put it right here for you. So you can see that's your letter. If you have any comments or questions or anything that you need to ask of the professor, you can put that right here. And then you click Submit to Dropbox. And once you've done that, you'll see this little green confirmation email sent successfully. You'll get an email and your professor will get an email, both. We will both know that you've successfully uploaded your letter into the Dropbox. So let's come back to the table of contents one more time. And I want to show you one more thing here. When you see this icon, which is a question mark, and the word quiz, that lets you know that you have a quiz that you need to take. This quiz is actually just a series of questions where you answer yes and affirm that you will follow the rules of Prep Academy. Normally when you have a quiz, it's going to be about the materials that were right before it. So don't ever take a quiz, except for this one, without reading or watching and participating with the materials before that quiz, okay? The last thing I want to show you is that when you check your home page, up here at the very top, you might see these little dots, which tell you that you've got a notification. The most important one is actually right here. It's your email, and like I said earlier, when you submit, you're going to get an email that says that your Dropbox submission went through, but you're also going to get email from your professors, and a lot of it is going to go right here. And so I want you to always check if you have a little red dot right there, and make sure that you engage with your email and eCourseWare often. So that's about it. I hope that helps, and I look forward to working with you.